Welcome to DD Garden TV. In this video, we will see how we can care for peppers with Nettle Fertilizer. Contrary to popular belief, Nettle is not only nitrogen fertilizer, it also contains phosphorus and potassium at the same rate as nitrogen. It is also a fertilizer high in calcium. But there are other grass fertilizers that are much stronger than nettles. For example, the celandine fertilizer and Goosefoot fertilizer that we introduced, it is richer in nitrogen, phosphorus and potassium. However, in Nettle Fertilizer, there are more substances that will activate plant growth enzymes in the soil. In the case of swallows, on the other hand, there are more substances that will trigger the hormones of plants. Given the peculiarities of these fertilizers, it seems more logical to use celandine fertilizer in the period of development of seedlings, and to use Nettle fertilizer during fruiting periods. Goosefoot fertilizer is also successful in obtaining a larger plant diameter and fruit size. Let's look at how to give Nettle fertilizer in this video. First of all, let's talk about the wrong application of irrigation. When applying any grass fertilizer, first irrigate with a small amount of clean water. This will trigger the plants to begin to draw water from their roots. If you give Nettle fertilizer after it, you have the chance to fertilize more rentably and minimize nutrient losses. In general, the dilution rate of grass fertilizers and sorbents is 1 in 10. This means that we will mix 1 liter of liquid fertilizer with 9 liters of clean water and give it in the form of irrigation. By diluting the Nettle fertilizer at a rate of 1 in 10, you can give our plant how much water it wants at that time. But be careful, the clean water we give at the beginning is 1/3 of the total water we will give, and we will give the remaining 3 to 2 during Nettle irrigation. My advice is to learn how to make such liquid fertilizers correctly, and know their correct use clearly. Incorrect information in some videos can unfortunately cause the application of such natural products to fail. See you in another videos. We wish everyone beautiful gardens.